Ladies and gentlemen, unique class on T-Bird Trading. Mayfair. Great atmosphere here in the town today. Ballahadreen, Mayfair. Happy birthday, Mammy, if you're watching. There's all the Bocalines all over the shop. T-Bird there. How's it going, T-Bird?
Mighty, great. How are you, Mark?
Ready to make shillings today?
Yeah.
Will they spend is the question.
Well, I said they will, yeah.
Great new styles here of all kinds of red or dead bags. Won't be beaten on price today, or any day. Great selection here from T-Bird. Tarp up, Van said, what more could you ask for? Only a few shillings to have the dinner this evening. Here we're doing great deals now on sets of cushions. 4 for 25. Now we have unique glasses, finest of handmade glass. Nice pieces there. Glass bracelets, there's nice pendants there now. Dichroic glass, kind of changes colour. A nice green pendant earring sets. Great deals here today.
And there's not enough love to go around.
Magnetic wraps there for the arthritis, €4.
Hey, how did you get the night?
Not too bad. Just a grand spot.
Alright.
Yeah, 20 quid.
Fucking save it, 20 quid.
And he said, we were down this morning, then giving back the key, and he said, do you have breakfast? I said, no.
Alright.
Part 2 later on.
For nothing. For nothing.
Yeah.
Busy enough down there too.
Oh, busy, alright.
Yeah.